Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Sophie if you're new here, and if you're coming back, then welcome back. I am genuinely so happy that you're here, and I'm really excited to film this video today. I'm going to be talking all about the items, products, tips, tricks that help me survive my period, help me get through it, and stay as comfortable and as happy as possible during this very special time of the month. Before we get into the video, I would love it if you would just check really quickly if you are subscribed to my channel, and if you're not and you would like to be, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and click the little bell icon right next to that, and that will notify you anytime I post a video, and it also just ensures that my videos will always pop up in your feed every time I post a fresh new video. Just want to apologize ahead of time for the lighting changes. I'm pretty sure it's going to be getting like dark and light because the clouds come and go, and I'm working with all natural lighting. So with that said, let's get into the video. The first thing I want to share with you guys is this brand of pads, liners, tampons, all that good stuff that you're gonna need when you're on your period. So this is called Cora, and I just discovered this brand probably 2 months ago, so it is new to me, but I am loving it. First of all, I love the branding, super clean and minimal. The pads themselves are like, I don't know, they just feel like so interesting. It's not like paper or like weird plasticky cover. It's like this nice cotton cover, and they are unbelievably thin. I don't know if you can tell. And you can get these at Target, which is obviously great because it's very convenient. Everybody has a Target near them. It says they're free of rayon, polyester, fragrances, deodorants, artificial dyes, phthalates, chlorine, and a big list of other scary ingredients. So they're completely non-toxic, completely safe, and sustainably made, which is freaking awesome. And they also give back to girls in need. It says here, with every Cora purchase, we give pads to girls in need, which is so awesome. So yeah, I really love them. These are just the liners, and they're unbelievably thin, comfy, soft, just like you can't even tell that it's there. Also, I have their overnight pads and just their regular pads, and they're also just so thin and super absorbent. Like, they really work. I've been loving these. I'm really glad that I found them. I love this mug. The next item I wanted to share with you guys that has been keeping me fresh and happy while I'm on my period are these Simply Summer's Eve cleansing cloths, and they're so good. They smell great. They're pH balancing, apparently, free from all harsh chemicals, and using simple ingredients. And I like this one, Cucumber Lily. It's just the most pleasant, natural scent of them all. I feel really uncomfortable talking about this. I'm not sure why, but it's always good to keep these on hand. They actually have like mini packs that you can just keep in your purse, so I have those as well. It's just good to always like stay clean and fresh, especially around that time of the month, because lots happening down there. So okay, I'm gonna move on now. I want to talk about some supplements I have been taking to help ease the pain and symptoms of my period. So the first thing, and probably my favorite thing, is this magnesium supplement. It's called Natural Calm Anti-Stress Drink. It helps to reduce prostaglandins that cause period pain. That's what it said when I googled magnesium benefits of period pain. So that's good. It's also just amazing, like all the time to take. I usually take 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 before bed, and it just helps you stay chilled out all day. I think anyway. It might be a placebo, but it's working for me. So yeah, this usually helps me have really good sleep and better dreams, honestly, and just overall my anxiety and stress levels have been reduced from taking this. So highly recommend that. I get it at Whole Foods. Another supplement I have been taking is apple cider vinegar, which is truly horrendous. Some people can take it and not think that it's that bad. I'm not one of those people. I think it's the most disgusting thing in the world, and so I really do struggle to drink it, but I have seen the benefits, so I feel like it's worth it. So I do try to take it every day. This also is apparently supposed to help with cramping and bloating and basically everything that the magnesium helps with. It just adds to that. Sorry, I'm not being very scientific right now, but I mean, even besides being on your period, this stuff is just so good for you. Just Google the benefits of apple cider vinegar. I'll actually put some here on the screen for you to read through, just like some of the main benefits. The last supplement I want to talk about is Vitex Berry or Chaste Berry. The name is interchangeable. For whatever reason, it has 2 names. But I don't have a bottle on me right now, but I will insert a picture, or maybe I'll get some and then insert some b-roll of it. My general practitioner doctor prescribed it to me because I told her how painful my periods were and how I was a little bit concerned with having maybe a hormonal balance. or hormonal imbalance. She prescribed me to take Vitex Berry. She said take it for 3 months every single day and then see how I felt and see if I saw any changes. So I'm actually only starting really soon. I tried it about a month ago, but I only did 1 month and then I forgot to repurchase the bottle, so I didn't really see benefit, but she did tell me to do it for 3 months. So this is kind of like a semi-tip because I haven't actually really fully tried it out yet, but I've heard a lot of people say that it helps them. My mom actually takes it. She's kind of going through her menopause days right now, and she said that it really helps her with her hormone balance. She can tell that she gets less frequent hot flashes and she's sleeping much better and all that stuff when she's on it. So I will try to keep you guys updated in my vlogs and stuff while I'm taking it if my cycle gets any better or if I'm feeling better, sleeping better, etc. while I'm on Vitex Berry. The last product that I wanted to share with you is good old Advil liquid gels. Liquid gels. Actually, the same doctor that prescribed the Vitex Berry, she's actually quite homeopathic and natural, and so am I. Like, I really don't like to take any kind of traditional medicine or pills. Traditional medicine? Conventional medicine. I don't know. Conventional medicine? I think that's what I'm trying to say. She said to just be taking this for the 3 months in the meantime while I'm taking Vitex, because she said the Vitex Berry will take a couple months to kick into your system. And then once it does kick in, she said that most girls have much less painful periods after 3 months or so on the Vitex Berry. So she said just take this in the meantime and then try not taking it for the 4th month and then see if your pain levels have gone down. So far I've just been taking this on day 1 of my period. If I don't have cramps yet, but I know that they're coming, I'll start taking this every 8 hours. I really think these have been helping with the pain. Obviously they're a painkiller, so that's probably doing the trick. But I'm taking them in conjunction with magnesium and apple cider vinegar, and I think that it's really been helping, especially dosing it out like before I even get cramps. My doctor, who also recommended the Vitex, her name is Dr. Bazzoni. She's a legit like general practitioner, but she's also vegan, and she's definitely way more leaning towards the natural homeopathic side of things. So I really trusted her judgment when she told me to take Advil liquid gels. It's not a long-term solution, like I said. I just want to do this for a couple months until my Vitex Berry kicks in, and then see where we go from there. And I'll definitely do like a little update video or update you guys in my vlogs and stuff and let you know how that's going. My tea is getting cold, but it's still really good. Next thing is kind of an obvious one that I think most girls already know about, but it is a heating pad. I got this one on Amazon. It's really, really soft, and it's like my best friend, especially in the winter when I have really bad cramps. I usually only get cramps in my lower back, so it's really nice to just kind of like prop this up against my pillow and then sit up in bed with it on my back, and it's just really, really soothing and nice. So I do really, really love this. I'm pretty sure it was like less than 30 bucks. I think it was pretty cheap, and it's the Sunbeam one. I'll link everything in the description below, of course, as usual, but yeah, just wanted to share that one. Another tip of mine is to stay super hydrated. Being hydrated helps so much with cramping and just like overall bloating and all that stuff. It's good for everything. So I try to drink lots of water for a few days leading up to my period. I mean, I always try to drink lots of water, but I'm definitely more aware of it leading up to my period. And lots of tea. I love drinking hot tea. It's just so soothing for your stomach. Helps with cramps, helps with bloating. Everything I'm talking about helps with cramps and bloating. I mean, why else would I talk about it? My favorite tea to drink during this time of the month is one by Yogi. It's called Chai Rooibos, and it is so good. Rooibos is actually really good for menstrual cramps, so that's obviously a bonus. The last and number 1 tip I want to talk about is probably very obvious, but here it is. When you're on your period, it is the time of the month where your body is asking you to just relax, rest, take it easy, and take care of yourself. And so I really like to listen to my body in that way. Definitely take advantage and take the time to completely pamper yourself and just like chill out. Put your heating pad on, sit up in bed, make some hot tea, chill and watch Netflix or YouTube videos or whatever, because I find that that's the best thing I can do. I always will just be in so much pain and like I feel like I'm gonna die, and then I just like get comfy, light some candles in my room, get a really chill mood going, and then watch some Netflix and YouTube videos, because honestly I feel like just watching a show or watching YouTube videos really helps to just distract from the pain and get your mind off of yourself and off of your body. I know that's kind of lame and obvious probably, but that is honestly the number 1 thing that I personally do when I'm on my period to make me happy, lift my mood, and just like get my head off of pain that I'm feeling. That's everything I wanted to share in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got some value out of this, and hopefully you'll be able to try out some of these tips and tricks and products for yourself. I can honestly tell you that all these tips and tricks and products have truly helped me stay much more comfortable and happy during this special time of the month. So I hope that they help you as well. If you did like this video and if you found it valuable, please do give it a like. And again, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye!